a tour for the house like I promised before. Before we start, this is Ginger. She's our kitty cat that my fiance got for me for my birthday. She's the cutest little thing. So last time you guys were here, this place was completely empty. As you can see, it's almost complete. There's still like a few details that need to be done, like this wall for instance, that I want to put some pictures or maybe a mirror, and we might get like a fireplace here. But yeah, this is basically just like the entry room. I don't really know how to call it. We have a couple of chairs and this ottoman that is so cool because it's got like a little storage in there. This is a whole tree like for coats, keys, shoes. You can sit there, take your shoes off and put them back on. This is Ginger's scratch and nap tower. She doesn't really use it much, but yeah, it's there for now. Here behind you is this lamp that has like some shelves with little details in there. And that's Ginger's little bed. And if we move on this way, we have the living room. Here, as you can see right now, it's decorated for like fall with orange tones and stuff. But I usually like to change it up every season. I also need to hang some curtains up on these windows, and because the light usually prevents for you to be able to see the TV properly. But anyways. This is our entertainment stand as well. This one I like to change it up according to the season. Right now it's like fall, orange tones and so on. We move on this way, we have the master bedroom. There's Ginger laying out in the bed. This is the bed, and as you can see, I like cushions a lot. So here we have like a yellow, black and white and gray theme. And this is so cool because the TV can actually pull out, and it's like a movie theater in here. And that's so cool because it doesn't take any space, because we were thinking of how to hang it so we could like see it from the bed and so on. So that was what we came up with. This is the closet, nothing spectacular, and these are the yellow curtains and also these picture gallery hanging thing that I did in the channel. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it down below so you can check it out how to DIY this. Okay, so let's move on to the dining room right this way. So this is a gorgeous farmhouse style table that my fiance did for us for our anniversary, and it's so pretty. It's like solid wood and it's like super steady and it's absolutely gorgeous. He also did the bench and the chairs. We got them online, but they go perfectly with like the colors and the theme and everything. Over here, we've got this beautiful chandelier light piece that we DIY ourselves. We made it out of a piece of wood that was kind of burned from the bonfire outside. So we rescued it, we restored it a little bit, and we did this chandelier, which I have recorded the process, like the DIY project, and I'm gonna upload it soon. So make sure to subscribe to the to the channel so you can see that video, and it's a very fun project that you can do yourself. Over here we have this gallery wall and also this kind of bar top that we actually build ourselves too. We don't really use it much, it's like mostly for show, but we have like the benches here in case we have people over and so on. But I think it's like a very cute way to fill up this wall with the pictures, and it goes with the colors and the theme along the dining room area. Over here we have what we call the China wall, which is like built-in shelving. So over here I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do with it, so what we did is we turned it into kind of like a relationship memorabilia station. So here's where we have all of our relationship gifts, details cards, things that represent ourselves and so on. So that's something that we're gonna keep adding on to it, and it's like, maybe it doesn't go with the rest of the thing, but it's like our thing and it's cute, so deal with it. Also on this wall we have this beautiful clock that we found at Michael's, and it's very cute and it goes with the theme that we have going on, and it's like huge, it's perfect for this space, so we love it. On this way we have the bathroom. I don't know if you remember how it was before, but it wasn't very pretty. Now we have this kind of Tiffany green theme going on throughout the whole bathroom, and the gray, we kept the floor because it's my favorite part. It's so pretty, geometrics, gray and white, and then this curtain with the same tones, and we painted the walls with this gorgeous Tiffany green color. We have these frames, and I also DIY'd the mirror frame with these stones that gives it a little like beachy vibes and stuff. And over here as well I have this little basket for like little just details, toilet paper, towels and so on. This cabinet and these cute details on top. This one we got it in New Hampshire the first time we went to the beach together, and these tequila bottles that I filled with sand. This one we also got it at the beach, and it's very pretty and it goes with the rest of the bathroom. Okay, so moving on to the kitchen. As you saw, the fridge is right there. We try to make it as pretty as possible because this is very you know, big, and we have this one that was a gift for Tim's birthday, which is very cute. And over here, the kitchen, we redid it completely. We literally, well, he did, lift up the whole floor and then put new flooring down. And then he built us this gorgeous cabinet like from zero. There was like no counter space at all in this kitchen. Now we have this beautiful glossy natural wood countertop and this cabinets with the farmhouse look that is going on throughout the house. Over here we have like some cute little details, but they are useful as well. So we have like coffee, rice, salt, pepper and stuff like that. And also this spice rack, which is very cute and it goes with the theme and is very useful as well. So we have it there. And over here we have these window mirrors slash thingies that came to cover the purpose of filling this wall, which we didn't know what to do with it, and I think it's perfect. It gives it like a illusion that there's like windows and it makes it like bigger and brighter. And I decorated with those greeneries. I need to put like more color in here, but we're still working on that. We also have this island thing that is so pretty. This was our only counter space before we got the cabinet. This one is so pretty and it's so useful because it has wheels so you can move it to the dining room if you're entertaining and stuff. But it's also useful obviously to have it here, and it fits perfectly in the space that we needed it to be. And yeah, That's the kitchen. And moving on to the last space of the house, which is the second bedroom. That's the room that is like empty still, basically. This is gonna become like the guest bathroom, and right now it's like the random stuff and my beauty room and so on. We want to put like a sofa bed in here, so whenever we have people over, they can sleep here. We have these beautiful flowers that I made that they're also on the channel. If you haven't seen them, I'm gonna link them down below. And here is just random stuff like the litter box, my computer, and all of my crafts, materials and stuff. Over there we have a shoe rack, and over here I have like my beauty section. This is like my full-size mirror, and it's so cool because you open it up and I've had all of my accessories and makeup and stuff in there. And yeah, this is the second room. So yeah, this is our house. I really hope you liked it. If you like any of the items that I have in the house, leave it in the comments below and I would try and tell you where they're from if I can find them. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below, because from next week on I'm gonna upload just videos about Christmas and you don't want to miss them, so make sure to subscribe down below. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!